Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am here with my skincare routine. Before I get started, I am sick. I have bronchitis, so I'm struggling a little bit. That's why I barely have any makeup on because I'm just so sick as a dog. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I want to do this video for you guys because that is the number one question I get on my channel is what is your skincare routine? So I'm going to be showing you guys that. So yes, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see my skincare routine, let's go ahead and get started. The first step in my skincare routine is obviously taking my makeup off. It's the best part of the day. For that, I've been using Neutrogena makeup removers. I really love these, and they're really gentle on the skin. The next thing I do is wash my face with the Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub from Lush. I wet my face and then I massage it gently into my skin. If you do have sensitive skin, I don't know if you will like this because it is a little bit more rough, but so far it's been working for me. I do have normal to dry skin as well. The next step is to take the Atlas Skin Pink Perfect Australian Clay Mask. It's 100% natural, cruelty-free, and vegan, which is really amazing. You can use my discount code MakeupBySaraStoy for 10% off. I'll leave it down below for you guys. I go ahead and apply this over my entire skin. I use my fingers to do that. You can go ahead and use a makeup brush if you prefer. But I go ahead and apply that over my entire skin. I leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with some warm water. And that is what it looks like, really nice and brightened. The last step is to take my Belief the True Cream Aqua Moisturizer. I love this, especially for dry skin. It's definitely amazing. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys. And yes, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my skincare routine. If you guys want to see any other videos, let me know down below. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.